Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super interesting, Stoicism. Yeah, you heard that right, Stoicism. Now, I know what you're thinking. Whoa, I didn't know Stoicism was so cool. Well, stick around, because by the end of this video you'll see just how awesome it really is. So, what is Stoicism? At its core, Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that teaches the development of self-control and fortitude as a means of overcoming destructive emotions. The philosophy holds that becoming a clear and unbiased thinker allows one to understand the universal reason, or logos. Let's start with a little history. Stoicism was founded in Athens by Zeno of Citium around 300 BCE. It was later popularized by philosophers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius. These names might sound familiar because their works have influenced countless thinkers and leaders throughout history. Zeno started teaching in a place called the Stoa Poikile, or the Painted Porch, which is where the name Stoicism comes from. His teachings were practical, focusing on ethics and how to live a good life. Now let's break down the core principles of Stoicism. There are four main virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These virtues are like a roadmap to living a good life. Wisdom is about understanding what is good, bad, and indifferent. It's about making rational decisions. Courage is facing fears and challenges with bravery. Justice is about fairness and living in harmony with others. And temperance is self-control and moderation in all things. One of the most powerful ideas in Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. It's the concept that some things are within our control and some things are not. This sounds simple, but it can transform how you see the world. Think about it. You can't control the weather, other people's actions, or even certain aspects of your own body. But you can control your own actions, your thoughts, and how you respond to situations. This distinction helps us focus on what we can change and let go of what we can't. So how can we apply Stoicism in our daily lives? Here are a few practical tips. First, practice negative visualization. This means imagining the worst-case scenario. It might sound depressing, but it's actually quite liberating. By confronting and accepting the worst, we can appreciate what we have and reduce our fear of losing it. Second, focus on what you can control. When faced with a problem, ask yourself, is this within my control? If not, let it go. If yes, take action. Third, keep a journal. Reflecting on your thoughts and actions daily can help you stay aligned with your values and improve over time. Stoicism isn't just for ancient philosophers. It has influenced many modern thinkers and leaders. For example, Admiral James Stockdale, a prisoner of war in Vietnam, credited Stoicism with helping him endure years of captivity and torture. Entrepreneurs like Tim Ferriss and Ryan Holiday have also embraced Stoicism. Holiday's book, The Obstacle is the Way, shows how Stoic principles can help us turn challenges into opportunities. Before we wrap up, let's address some common misconceptions about Stoicism. Some people think Stoicism is about suppressing emotions or being indifferent to everything. But that's not true. Stoicism teaches us to acknowledge our emotions and understand them, but not to be ruled by them. It's about finding balance and maintaining inner peace. So there you have it, Stoicism in a nutshell. It's a practical philosophy that can help us navigate the complexities of life with grace and resilience. By focusing on what we can control, practicing virtue, and maintaining perspective, we can live more fulfilling lives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And let me know in the comments, what do you find most interesting about Stoicism? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.